Okay.
Then believe me, I didn't do that. Point is, you can stay here as long as you want to. Weeks, months even. You're invited. For all any reason.
Thank you. I really, really appreciate that. I usually crash at mom's, but she's MIA right now.